Hydra is the ultimate password cracking tool used by ethical hackers and security testers around the globe. It is a brute-forcing tool that helps us to crack passwords of network services. Hydra can perform rapid dictionary attacks against more than 50 protocols. This includes Telnet, FTP, HTTP, and several other services. If you are looking for a tutorial on how to crack passwords of a web application, you are at the right destination. So hey, everyone, welcome back to Intruder Security, and in this video, we are going to have a practical hands-on approach for usage of Hydra. Before we begin, remember this video is only for educational purpose. Do not test any sites or networks if you don't have rights to do. Let's get started. There are many tools out there like John the Ripper and Hashcat, but what makes Hydra special is its unmatched speed, versatility, and efficiency. Hydra is already installed in Kali Linux. If you want to install Hydra in Windows, you can just refer to this SourceForge site and download it. As I am on Kali, let's focus on how to use Hydra to crack passwords. Password attacks can be of two types. The first type is the dictionary attack, which uses a list of common words related to user to make it more effective. It continues to run through the list until a suitable match is found. On the other hand, a brute force attack uses words based on a given character set. With an online password attack, either one of the methods can be used. To test, I have a Metasploitable machine running at port 80, and we will be brute forcing the login page offered by DVWA inside our Metasploitable machine. The current user and password is set to admin and password, so we will make sure that our word list contains our username and password to know how it works. I have this top username list from SecList containing our username and password both. You can download username and password list from the SecList repository. The link is in the description box. First of all, let's go through our login page. The username field is named as username. Password field is also same as password, and the login button to submit the form. So, let's give it a try with some random username and password. On wrong username and password, it gives login failed. This is enough for our Hydra to crack the password. To get the help menu, you can use Hydra-H. I have a command already in my terminal. Let's break it down for easier understanding. -L specifies the path to a file containing usernames to try during the attack. -P specifies the path to a file containing passwords to try during the attack. This IP represents the IP address of the target system where the login page is located. Here it is the Metasploitable IP address. This part indicates the type of attack, which is an HTTP post form attack. Here it represents the URL path of the login form on the target website. This specifies the form fields and their values to be submitted during the attack. User and pass are placeholders that Hydra will replace with usernames and passwords from the provided lists. This indicates the submission button that was named as login. Last part specifies how Hydra should recognize a failed login attempt in the response from the target system. Now let's run our attack. It is performing almost 289 tries and will get our username and password in few seconds. Here we have our username and password. We didn't see all the username and passwords it has tried. To do so, you can use the verbosity using -V option. Now you can see it's showing all the username and passwords it's trying. So we have successfully learned how to crack web application login using Hydra. Hydra isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities for ethical hacking. Its versatility, speed, and efficiency make it an invaluable asset. However, always remember to use tools like Hydra responsibly and ethically, contributing to the greater cause of cybersecurity defense. Hydra can also crack SSH or FTP passwords. If you are interested in cracking them, please do comment down below and let us know. That's all in this video. I hope you have gained at least a bit of knowledge. If so, please do like and share. See you guys in upcoming videos. Till then, happy hacking!